Welcome back to the moment of truth and enlightening class. You saw the video of Ibiyeomie and his team posting his ill-gotten wealth on social media. Everybody is talking about it. So, they want you to know how wealthy they are. Stay at home. You do not need them. Let me read some comments to you because this is an enlightening class. So I told you my people are loaded. I posted a video about NHL asking people to come to church. It's not doing online streaming. My people responded. He quoted and mentioned something about Zion. And someone responded. He wrote, I'm not mentioning my people's name just to save them from all these people's attacks. So I recognize them and I cherished their inputs, their commitments in order to set people free from the hands of all the charlatans. Because the Bible encourages us that we that are saved, we should stand up for the salvation of others. So, this my person wrote, Zion is not a physical location. And another one confirmed it with scriptures. And that one says, exactly, Jare. Zion is the assembly of the saints, where one or two gather or worship God. But those people want to maintain us in the Old Testament. Jesus now is the temple, and we is building 1 Corinthians 3:9. Please, my people, read the scriptures. Don't let these people fool you any longer. They are there to make money. They have no solution. They have no solution. That's why they are falling into biblical errors here and there. Another one wrote, and he said, Jesus foresaw people like Simon the sorcerer and Oyedepo. That's why he made us priests and personal temples and died for us to set us free. We don't need pastors to teach us about God. We have our Bibles and we are the church. Sorry, NHL, we ain't going back. No, we are not coming back. We gone forever. My people, you have to maintain your stand. There's nothing there. You see that pedophile calling people to come to church. He's being police custody now. Today we make 13 days. They just abandon him there. They are still investigating his case. Anyway, that's how God will be exposing them. Now, tell me why Adeboye is trending again. Adeboye wrote, this is the person that say God is not a talkative. I talk when there's something to say. I will let you hear it from his own mouth. Adeboye plans prayer for economic restoration. It's not planning prayer to curb the Boko Haram Toji Bello that is tormenting everybody. Let me read what he says, and people are quoting him and they are bashing him here and there. The General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor Enoch Adeboye, is organizing a prayer session for the restoration of Nigeria's economy. Now, lie, don't go there. They just want to lure you into their empty camp. Don't go there. This comes amid the hardship in the country, which is driven by inflation and its impacts on the socio-economic lives of Nigerians. Did that start today? Okay. According to a statement shared with Saturday Punch, Adeboye is dedicating July 25th Thanksgiving in a church. You see what I mean? He just wants you to come. He just wants you to come. Don't go there, oh. He's in Kenya now, oh, doing paparazzi there, oh. Why is July 2025 Thanksgiving service themed divine intervention to pray for the restoration and expansion of Nigeria's economy? Now, like you, this one that said Naira will overpower whatever. Now, like you, they just want you to lure you there. Let's hear them one by one now.
Quite a few of my friends have said, why are you always so silent? I talk when there's something to say. I talk when there's something to say. So our God is not a talkative. And when he repeats himself, it means the matter is very serious. He will only speak once. Here, what he said the second time, it is the echo that we're hearing. God has spoken once. Twice have I heard it. You heard it the second time, it's the echo. In John chapter 3, from verse 1 to 4.
You heard Adeboye, the man that knows God too well. He knows when God talks. He knows when God is silent. He drank tea. He's having breakfast with God. And the situation of Nigeria is getting worse and worse every day. Those are the lies he's been telling all the presidents. He will give them votes. He will help them to get there. And they're giving him heavy money. You see him all the time. In Aso Rock, when Buhari was there. That one, he goes to Aso Rock as if he's going to Origbo. Toji Bello, Toji, whatever, is terrorizing Sokoto residents to the extent that the people cries out, save us from Bello, Toji, terror. Sokoto residents cry out as bandits kingpin issues ultimatum. Can you imagine? This is where they have pastors that is hearing from God every minute, every second. Yet, that God is not telling them any solution to Nigeria wahala. To the extent that even president himself has no rest. He has to be traveling here and there, leaving the country, go somewhere to go and clear his head. Because the tension, the pressure is too much. They are collecting money from the government, so yet they are not doing anything. Another report that breaks my heart, my God. Nigerian army declares 3-day mourning for 70 soldiers killed by bandits in Niger State. Wow! Adeboye, this is the time to shut up! You have nothing to offer anybody. And stop collecting money here and there.
Just calm down. How do we get here? Adeboye set to lead national prayers for economic revival or economic restoration. Adeboye, the general overseer of RCCG Redeemed Christian Church of God, set to lead national prayers for economic revival or economic restoration. You see, chai, how do we get here? After 100 days fasting and prayers, that one don't work. 100 days fasting and prayers did not work. Now is to
100-day fasting and prayers of Adeboye. Many glorious children, bye, in their 50s. Glory lost. I will see you on my next video. Bye for now. Know God for yourself.